So what you'll need is a tortilla wrap. We will be using this as a base for our pizza. Some shredded mozzarella cheese. It's quite important to take shredded mozzarella cheese because if you use the regular mozzarella and just cut it up, it'll be too moist and you don't want to add too much moisture to this. Sauce for your pizza. I just took some pre-made spaghetti sauce. I personally find that it works the best. You can also make your own sauce with some passata or some tomato puree and then just add some seasoning to it. And for the toppings, you can pretty much add whatever you like. I'm going to add some Italian pepperoni-like thing that I found in the store, some mushrooms, some red onion, and finally some green bell pepper. Let's do this. So first of all, let's take our tortilla and add your tomato sauce on it. You can add as much as you like. So typically, if you're spreading your tomato sauce on a pizza, you want to leave an edge. But since it's a tortilla, you want to cover the edges as well, because otherwise your pizza will not be done and your edges will be burned. This way the sauce covers them and keeps them moist so that they don't burn. Now let's add the cheese. Again, as much as you want. Your toppings. And there you go. I've completely destroyed my pizza with a lot of toppings, but I like it this way. So now put it on an oven tray and it's ready to go into the oven. Up, down, right. So I've preheated my oven to 200 degrees Celsius and now I'm going to put in my pizza for roughly 10 to 15 minutes. Make sure to keep your eye on the pizza because it might be done sooner. You never know. And there you go. 10 minutes later, our pizza is done. The cheese is nicely melted and all of the ingredients are done. All there is left to do is just cut it with a pizza cutter or whatever cutter you have. And there you go. It's ready to be eaten. Just take a slice and enjoy. As you can see, it's still crispy on the outside. it's a bit not soggy in the middle, but just tortilla-y in the middle. But for a very quick pizza, I think this is pretty good.